Welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we have another unboxing. Picked these up on eBay from a seller. There it is, and then there should be that. So here's the box for the phone. Looks like here it is, the Sprint. It is in pretty rough shape, but I wanted to have the original box with it. We got the owner's manual, SD card. Let's see what kind of SD card it was. 64 megabytes. Some foam tips for the earbuds that it would have came with. So here's the phone. Let's see if it's got any power in it. It's probably dead. Does have a battery. Motorola Razr V3M. This is actually my first Sprint Razr, believe it or not. I think I have one on Boost Mobile, I think is what it is. So it's my actual first Sprint one. So I'll set that there. And then we also got a couple other phones. So here is a Blackberry. This is a 7130C. Now I haven't seen a Blackberry on Singular like this. So I went in and picked it up. It was 10 bucks, has no battery, no back, is untested as well. But I haven't seen another one like this on eBay. I did type the model in and I didn't find anything, couldn't find a back cover or anything. So we'll test this one out. And I didn't actually order this phone. I guess he just threw it in. I'll check with the eBay seller and see if he wants me to throw in his, if he would let me throw in his eBay store. Oh, this back comes off. His battery comes out. This is a Motorola. Maybe. Let me see if I can just back off real quick. There you go. A Motorola. I don't see a model number anywhere, so I'm just going to show it. Maybe you guys can tell me the model number on this. There's a little sticker down there. So yeah, like I said, he threw this in. I didn't actually order this one, but we'll see if we can get it to work. It looks like it's on T-Mobile as well. So yeah, there's some new phones for the collection, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.